Hey, welcome back, subbies, and if you're new here, hey friend. Today I'm gonna be showing you how I create my fall makeup and hair look. So if you're interested in looking bomb as I do, then continue watching. But before we get into this video, I'm gonna need y'all to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Let's get to it. Okay, so as y'all can see, I already did my brows. So next we're gonna go ahead and prime our face for the foundation. So as for a primer, I like to do the hacks where I take some powder. It doesn't matter what kind of powder. And you want to put a little bit on your face. Not too much, just a little bit like this. Okay, so next what you're gonna do is take any setting spray that you use. So today I'm gonna be using the Super Hold setting spray by Superfix Revolution. All right, and you are just gonna let it dry. This hair is from Unice hair. It is a headband wig I've had for a while now, and it's been holding up pretty damn good. It looks like this because I just washed it and let it air dry overnight. It's really long, and I think this hair is perfect for a fall look. To install this headband wig, they have the comb here, the comb here, and the comb here, and of course they have one at the bottom. All right, as you can see, it is on and snug. Pull it. It's not coming off, baby. It's not coming off. Okay, so now that our setting spray is dry, we are gonna go in with some NYX Bear With Me. This is a hydrating primer, and I think hydration is really important, especially in these upcoming months, because as fall hits and winter hits, not only does your skin tend to get paler, but also your skin tends to get drier. Okay, so I'm going to put my hair in a ponytail for now because we are going to do our makeup first, which is kind of backwards for me because normally when I'm dealing with the flat iron or the curling iron, I like to do my makeup last because I sweat. But since we already primed our face, and I didn't think about that before, we are going to go ahead and do this makeup. So first what I'm gonna do is put on some Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Hydrating Longwear Foundation. And I'm not gonna put this up to the camera because for some reason my camera just does not want to focus today. And as you all know, maybe you don't know, I do record with my iPhone 11. I've been recording with that this whole time. So yeah, anyways, my color is 385. And normally with this, I only need 2 pumps, that's it. And I'm trying to get full coverage, so that's why I do this many pumps. And I'm starting to notice that the foundation is looking a little bit darker for my skin tone because my summer tan has already went away. But it's okay because that's why I have lighter concealer, because I can always lighten this look up and make it blend. Okay, one more pump and then we are good to go. Okay, so next I'm gonna be using this concealer that I got from one of my Ipsy bags. You might want to check my Ipsy bag playlist out because that'll show all of the Ipsy bags I've ever gotten, by the way, just FYI. But I'm going to be using this concealer in the shade M320. It is the Complex Culture Let Up Concealer. All of these products will be linked below, by the way. So I'm just gonna put this much. Okay, so now we're gonna blend this out. Okay, next we're gonna go in with the Mercier honey powder, and we are just going to apply it. Okay, so next we are gonna go in with some concealer using the Love You First Perfect Eyeshadow Duo in the color Ivory. We are just going to contour our nose, our cheeks, and wherever else. Okay, next I'm going to use the Sun Goddess Shade Face Palette. And I'm gonna be using this color and this color, because you know I like to mix them. Okay, so next I'm gonna use the St. Luxe highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight to give myself a glow. Okay, so now we're gonna go into the eyeshadow. So using the Nature's Embrace eyeshadow palette, I am going to be going in with the Growth, which is an olive color, and that's gonna be my base. Okay, next I'm gonna be going in with Harvest, which is an orange color, and I'm gonna use that color to blend out the olive color. Okay, so next I'm gonna be using this Nuts color here to blend out the top. Okay, so next we're gonna go in with Herb, and we are gonna do the outer corners. Okay, next we're gonna go into a palette I have not used in a while because I barely even do eyeshadows anymore. But today I wanted a fall look. I'm giving fall looks. We are gonna go into the Kylie Jenner palette, and we are gonna go into the color Sweet Like Honey. Okay, so now I'm gonna go under my eye with the Hearth color that I used in the previous palette. Okay, so back to the Kylie Jenner palette, we are gonna use the color Bumble for this part right here. There you have it. So we're gonna use some eyeliner to hit our lash line. Now this is all we need. Next, it's time to do this hair. Okay, so I'm gonna take some olive oil, heat serum, and I'm just going to put this all over this wig because that's what you do. You gotta take care of your wigs, because I am going to be using some heat on this because we are gonna be going straight today. Get these ends. What I love about this hair is that it stays soft, like even after using this and washing it, like it really stays soft. You just gotta make sure that you condition this hair, and you gotta make sure that you take care of it and clean it, because this hair is not gonna work for you if you don't take care of it, period. Okay, so I'm gonna be using a flat iron. So stay tuned and watch me do this hair. guys, so this is the final product of my hair. I know a few times y'all probably saw me going through my hair like multiple times, going through it. Well, that's because I found out while flat ironing my hair that my flat iron unplugged, so I literally had to plug it back in and wait for it to warm and freaking like straighten my hair again. But as you can see, this is the final product. It's definitely giving fall. I love the fact that it still has a shine to it. So now it's time to put on our lip gloss. Have to chap it up first. So I'm gonna go in with the Super Stay Matte Ink Maybelline in the 70 Amazonian, I think that's how you pronounce it, Amazonian color. I absolutely love this lip color. So next, I'm going to go over this with some Shine Theory lip gloss by Nabla, and this will be linked below as well. I actually got this in my Ipsy bag. All right, this look is complete. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to click the big like button. Also, don't forget to click that subscribe button and that notification bell so that way you can see when your girl posts videos. Peace.